Here is how we can turn off asking for apps on the iPhone. Now, let me explain it. And if you're new here on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get started. So, of course, the feature means that the iPhone, which is set up as a child account, can ask for permissions to download apps from the organizer of the family group. It's like a feature which works well, I guess. But if you want to turn it off, you need to go to the organizer's iPhone, which is in this case, this one right here. You open up the settings and tap on your profile and at the top, and then you can proceed to the family like this, and you can tap on the person which you have in there, the non-adult person in there, so you can tap on them and you will have the ability to manage some settings for it. Like, these are obviously just regular settings, so it's not like I can do anything about it, because that is also just the adult account. But if it looks like this, then you have the ability to set up the ask to buy. So this asks for purchase approval for downloading apps from the App Store and even more stuff. So that's how you can set it up. But as you can see, it is not like the adult account. So if you are in a situation like this, then this is where you can find it and turn off the ask to buy feature. And then that person will be able to download apps without any need to ask anyone for permission. So I hope it helps. Let me know if that was the thing that you are looking for. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.